Hey guys, Adam here. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer money from YourSafe to Wise account. First of all you have to do is open your Wise application on your phone, and you have to make sure that both your Wise account and YourSafe account both should be verified by the banks or by the application. Otherwise you won't be able to transfer anything. And then select the currency in which you want to transfer the amount. For example, I will select the euro, and then you have to type in the amount that you want to add into your Wise account. After that you have to hit continue. Then the app will ask you how would you like to pay. You have to select either debit card, credit card. If you swipe down a bit, you can also select a bank account, or you can also select the ideal option, which offers you very low transfer fees. So you can select ideal and then click on continue to payment. And then on this page, in the select your bank section, you have to click on the drop down menu. From here you have to select YourSafe bank account and then click on continue. Then it will give you a barcode which you have to scan from your app. So how to scan from the app? As you can see on the top right corner, you will see a scanning option. You have to click on it and your camera will open, and you have to scan that barcode or the QR code, and your money will be transferred from YourSafe to your Wise account. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.